It's Wednesday night. It's social knitting night on October 26th. It is also my grandson's 4th birthday today. Happy birthday, Owen. Happy birthday. All right, you know me. I got something new to show you. We have had a mono yarn before. It is all from Peru. It is beautiful yarn, and I have gotten in a new one called Skinny Yana. It's called Skinny Yana by Amano. It is 100% fine Highland wool, all made in Peru. It is a single ply, 437 yards, fingering weight. Beautiful. And I have 18 colors. 18 colors. All right, so we have yellow. We have this beautiful red. We have navy blue. If you want to do some Fair Isle work, this is the place to do it. Look at this cantaloupe. Yum. And then lavender. And aqua. I'm telling you, you know I love a color. Hot pink. And then this pink. Denim blue. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Burgundy. Look at that rich color. Ooh, delicious. Mint. Little sea foamy. A lovely gray. This almost looks like butter. It's a very creamy color. Neutral. Olive green. A bright olive, though. A nice one. This is camel. And then last but not least, well, not last, black and ecru, white. 18 colors. Oops, my camera's falling over. 18 colors. You will be so excited. You can find every color in the world that you possibly might need. It's perfect. Any fingering weight, shawl, sweater, hat, gloves. It's all on Ravelry, and you can find a million patterns. Skinny Yana, Y-A-N-A, by Amano. Fantastic. You hear the door going in and out. It is social knitting, and I had every chair in the house had somebody in it, and we were bringing folding chairs out from the back. It was a big night at Bella Filati. Social knitting, Wednesday nights. Join us. It's fun. Time to get out and share the joy, right? Don't bring a really hard project, though, because sometimes it's hard to count and there's lots of chatter. So bring something simple. It works. It's so fun. All right. Always fun at Bella Filati. I will see you tomorrow, Thursday.